As you saw in the aggregate stockpile sampling video in Module 3A, you will obtain a significant quantity of material for each aggregate sample. Your lab testing equipment can't efficiently test an entire 50-pound sample of aggregate. Therefore, you need to learn the proper procedures for consistently reducing the stockpile sample down to a size that can be tested in the lab while providing representative results as to the properties of the entire aggregate sample. The following videos for coarse aggregate sample reduction and fine aggregate sample reduction will provide the details on how to reduce the sample to the appropriate size for testing.
Reducing samples of aggregate to testing size, R76. Pour the sampled aggregate into the hopper of the mechanical splitter and evenly distribute it from edge to edge. This is done so that approximately equal amounts of aggregate will flow through each chute. Introduce the sample into the chutes so that the aggregate is able to free flow through the chutes into the receptacles below. Reintroduce one of the receptacles back into the hopper and repeat the process until the specified testing size is reached. This is part 2 of R76. To sample a damp fine aggregate by miniature stockpile, place the sample on a hard, clean, level surface where there will be neither loss of material nor the accidental addition of foreign material. Thoroughly mix the sample and form a conical pile by depositing individual lifts on top of the preceding lift. Obtain a sample by selecting at least 5 increments of material at random locations from the miniature stockpile.
Now that you have seen proper sample reduction procedures, you are ready for sample testing in Module 3C.